Guys, today I'm going to do your dares. So my first dare is I dare you to bully a kid in Roblox by Christine Joy. So guys, I'm joining a game where there's a lot of kids in here. This game called Twilight Daycare. Okay. Now let's go find some kids. Hey, there's a lot of kids. That purple girl. Hey, yo. Bro's pregnant. Okay, you're... You're a stupid baby. You're a stupid baby. Yeah, you are stupid baby. Yeah, you are. Did you know that? You little girl. Oh, look at her! She's laughing when she's getting bullied. God, you stupid. You stupid. You're stupid. You're stupid. You're stupid. Yeah, you're stupid. I need you to cry. Yeah, that's it. You're crying right now. Yes. Ah, you need to potty. Haha, no. Haha, no, never. Never. Go do your own. Go your own. Go your own. Go your own. Ew. Bald. Oh my. There's a lot of kids. Look at this bald girl. No, I feel kind of bad. So my next dare is I dare you to drive straight in a car until you get out of your car. Just kidding. Break in a house, steal money, and sleep in the bed by Official Orangey. Just got into some random house. Oh, I don't even know where the safe is. Okay, wrong house, sorry girl! House looks nice. What is it? Okay. No, wait. There's a kid. Let's go. Oh my god! There's a kid. Oh, hi kiddo! You want me to bully you? Nah, I don't want to. I'm in my... No! We gotta go! Yeah. We gotta go. Yeah, then... Then... Go to the... Yeah. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping right now.
Bro, you're gonna get bed.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna... nice bed, girl. I want to dance. Yes, then sleeping. Oh, I hear the gun noise. She gonna kill me. She gonna kill me.
Us.
Hey, go away.
Now, say goodnight.
Oh my gosh. That was a nice dare. Okay, my next dare is I dare you to say a bad word in Roblox by Interaction series. Sure, I'll do it.
Don't look at
Okay. Okay, that's it. Next dare. So my next dare is I dare you to get banned forever. Lol, this is just a joke, but the real dare is Be a Sus Dad by Noel Grace Araya. Okay, here you want it.
Okay. I don't really get my style though. Okay. This is kind of cringe. Oh, look at this. It says skibidi dub dub. It's a camera. Hi. Hi. So now, you said I'm hot. Look at me! Now I'm This is how
Boys speak. Hello. Have you ever seen a
boy dance like this. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, next there. Okay, my next there is Spy on Dater. Okay, my next there is Spy on Daters by Torin Obian. Okay, my last there is Dog Someone. Jo- Just follow someone until they leave.
Okay, let's go follow this guy. Let's go interrupt his avatar. Hey, you need to move, bro. Bro. Yeah, look here. Wow. Oh my gosh, you're Spider Girl. It's the go-kart. Where's that guy? Yeah. Find something? Oh, you can't leave me. You can't leave me. Nah? Nah? It's probably annoying. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. No, you can't. No, you can't. No! No! No. No! 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 Only here!
Okay, guys, that's all for today. Hope you like it. Thank you for the dares.